This video covers the triad or the arpeggio for the chord B flat major, the triad. There are two flats in B flat major, so if you're going around the circle of fifths, this follows E flat major. E flat major is three flats. Now we're taking a flat away and two flats in B flat major. The notes are B flat, D, and F. The fingering we're going to use is we're going to use the fourth finger on here, so here, and in the right hand it's going to be third finger. In the left hand, excuse me, it's going to be third finger. So we're here and here, but we're starting on these notes, on these fingers. So we're here. For this exercise, I know there's other fingerings for this, but for this exercise, that's the fingering we're using. And do the tremolo, one octave up and down, one note per beat, simple as that. Accent and drop the wrists. When you do that, then do the arpeggio, one note up and down. One octave. That's it. Good enough. All you want to do is kind of get an idea of this arpeggio. Then for the intermediate, we do all of the beginner stuff, plus we go two octaves at two notes per beat. So again, for the tremolo exercise, you do it start out one note per beat, like you did before, up and down one octave, and then do two notes per beat, up and down two octaves here. Very awkward for me. This key signature and me do not get along. I struggle with this, I always have. But it's a fun struggle, so I do it. Then we do the arpeggio, one and two octaves, one and two notes per beat. That's close enough. You don't need to work yourself to death on this. Just wait. Then for the advanced, we do everything in the beginner and the intermediate, except maybe the tremolo. By now you may not need the tremolo if you've been doing it before. And then we also do 3 and 4 octaves. We go 3 and 4 octaves. We go somewhere, I'm not sure. Now 1, 2, and 3 notes per beat, and you need to middle C down, come down an octave, and then here, start down here. So you're here. Too bad here because the hands are mirroring each other here, almost. But do the inversion, the inversion. So here we're going to start here. Now, because the thumb is we're starting on a thumb, we can use the little fingers or turnaround finger on this one. So it's here. Second version, we're starting here. And again, because the thumb is here, that we can use the thumb as our starting finger or turnaround finger, we can go here. And you do the whole pattern up to 4 octaves and contrary and all the whole bit. Just keep it slow and accent on the beat and drop the wrist on the accent. It's very important.